Microsoft recognized the demand to remain on Windows 10 and announced that ESU will be free for an extra year. This is a big shift from the previous consumer cost of $30. You will actually have three options for how to get these extended updates. They even created an enrollment wizard to get the extended update that I can show you. It's supposed you find this option when you access to settings. So basically in Windows updates menu in Windows 10 you will see a thing that mention the extended security updates and the enrolled now bottom or link, or depending on the layout the link may appear on the right hand side instead. Also, you will have to sign into Windows with a Microsoft account to enroll. If you click the Enroll Now button and you are on a local account, it will make you log in with a Microsoft account and it will set your Windows account to that account. Now, after you click Enroll, probably you see one of two versions of this window because to get the extended security updates for free, you just have to sync your Windows 10 settings to your Microsoft account. You don't even have to back up your apps and files and stuff like that. As they say so, you literally just have to sync your settings, which I think is by default. So it's a good chance you will just see this option that says you are already backed up and you can just immediately get the free updates with no additional work. But alternatively, if you don't have your settings since like maybe you deliberately went in, turn that off. Now you will notice three different choices. And by the way, they seems linked to this settings menu. If you switch this off, that's when the option appear. In this case, you will again be able to enable backup for your settings, which basically just turns this on.